Are you searching for the best sim racing pedal? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best sim racing pedals in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. SIMJACK Pro Pedal Sim Racing Pedal PC Racing Simulator Individual Clutch. Features, 100% brand new. It only used for PC and does not work in PS4/5 or Xbox or Mac. High quality of steel, anti-rust, very durable. PC racing game competitive pedal 3mm stainless steel laser cutting. Computer use, plugged directly into USB. No driver installation required. Laser stainless steel cutting, thickness 3 mm. Stainless steel grinding and polishing. Brake damping adopts imported rubber width. Hardness of 70, added heel and toe position on throttle panel. Brake panel widened for easy heel-toe operation. The pedal strength can be adjusted by adjusting the height of the hole. The inclination angle of the pedal can be adjusted by adjusting the height of the hole. The BOM material spring is not loose and does not slip, reducing the friction sound of the shaft. Design brake and clutch arc pedals according to the real racing pedal surface. Throttle long panel design is more conducive to the delicate footfeel control of the throttle. Customized 45 cm sensor long cable, more convenient to connect to the pedal control box. Guarantee that the rubber will not deform or burst in fierce competitions. The clutch adopts a lever-type design to simulate the sense of both ends of the real clutch. STM32 control box provide a full-range 16-bit output for each pedal.